Hello. Midea microwave is being repaired. The problem is the following. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It switches off during operation. Let's take it apart and see what the cause is. Some kind of hidden defect. The magnetron is in perfect condition. I'll get the board and take a look. Be sure to remember the wires so you don't mix them up. Soldered the ring cracks. Now we'll assemble it and check. I think there was a bad contact because it switches off during operation. The microwave is ready. I started it 4 times. Everything is fine. It doesn't turn off. I'm giving it to the owner for testing. Let him check it.